In this video I will show you how to download and install the Epson L3060 printer driver on Windows. Go to the Google Chrome. Enter Epson L3060 printer driver in the search box and click on the search icon. From the search results, click on the official Epson website for that printer model. Select your operating system from the drop-down menu and click on the Download button next to the driver you want to download. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to launch the installation wizard. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the installation process. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. You may need to agree to a license, select installation options, and specify the printer connection type, USB cable. Follow the on-screen instructions. If the installation asks you to connect the printer, do so using the appropriate USB cable connection. Make sure the printer is turned on. Connect your Epson L3060 printer to your computer using a USB cable. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer if prompted. Your Epson L3060 printer should now be ready to use with Windows via USB connection.